Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial, I'm making a tutorial how to cancel a transaction, a bank transaction. So what I did, I withdrew cash from my PayPal balance to my Equity Bank. The account number is ending with 1375. The funding source was PayPal balance, and I withdrew shillings that the 316 US dollars. On withdrawing, I noticed that the Equity Bank is exploiting me. It is exchanging at a very low cost, so I had to cancel the transaction. I'll take you through the whole process of canceling a transaction. So the very first thing you need to come is you come to your PayPal official balance. On coming to your official PayPal balance, you can see available balance is at zero. We can see a transfer to bank account, I transferred 316 US dollars. After making this bank transfer from my PayPal balance to the bank account of $316, as you can see that the funding source was the funding type was the PayPal balance. Was trying to cancel this transaction, and it was hectic. On my side, I came on Twitter. On coming on Twitter, I texted Equity Bank, telling them that kindly cancel this transaction of the 316 US dollars, as I withdrew to my wrong account number. Ensure you refund the 316 to my PayPal balance. Upon me telling them, they told me that we only support PayPal withdrawals done via self-service portal. Kindly liaise with the PayPal for further support on these. That is what Equity Bank told me. I tried to reach out PayPal. When you reach out PayPal in their DM, they never respond. I think they are too busy. They never respond. All the issues that are raised, PayPal, okay, yeah, I see this one. They just send me an automated response, but not really addressing the issue. So so what happened? I even had sent them a screenshot. The screenshot is telling you who had the whole details for the transaction number. The status was pending. I wanted to cancel this transaction since I had transacted to a wrong Equity Bank, a bank ending with 1375. I had confused one number. So I came to what you will do. You will come to the transaction, open the transaction. Upon opening the transaction, you will be able to you will be able to come to to pending. Upon coming to you will come here and see need help. Go to the resolution center. Now in the resolution center is where I will really try to ask for help, since I have withdrawn to a wrong equity number, and equity tells me, equity are very straightforward. They asked me that clarify if the withdrawal is done via equity service portal or directly at PayPal. I had the transaction was directly at PayPal. So after telling them, they tell me, thank you for getting back to us, Edward. We only support PayPal withdraw done from self-service portal. Kindly liaise with PayPal for further support with these. So they were really out, and I was left alone in the jungle. So once we come to the resolution center, we'll come here report a problem. It tells us, what issue do you want to report? I want to report unauthorized activity. Report suspicious activity as transaction charges, and you do not authorize. I'm the one who authorized this transaction, but authorized it to a wrong bank. So I'll not pick that option. I have billing issue, report issue with transaction amount, dispute, refund, or canceling the subscription. That this is this is where my problem falls in. I have a billing issue. It was a billing issue. Upon clicking billing issue, will come report a billing issue. What type of billing issue would you like to report? There are three types of billings issue. Either it tells me incorrect transaction amount. I was charged incorrect amount. duplicate amount. My PayPal account was charged more than once for the purchase. Refund. I haven't received the refund from the seller as agreed upon. So this is where I'll be asking for the whole amount, 316 US dollars. Enter the amount expected to be refunded is $316. Then it tells me you can enter a detailed description of what went wrong on this transaction below. Do not include any confidential information like card numbers or password. So I will come here and I'll be able to fill in that information. So when PayPal gives you a chance to describe an issue, be very thorough because you might be told to prove such transaction. I transferred 316 US dollars to a wrong Equity bank account. Kindly refund back the whole amount to my PayPal balance. I explained to them the transaction number and everything. I withdrew from one of my Equity account, yes, but it was not my intention. Kindly cancel the transaction and refund back the cash back to the PayPal balance. I'll be sending the transaction to the right bank account as soonest as soonest as you refund as you refund the cash. I have three equity accounts, but I withdrew to a wrong account. Now I'm trying to request PayPal to cancel the transaction. So it tells us, do you want to include a file? You can drag drop like a copy of proof of cancellation of bills of agreement, proof of expenditure that the proof of expiry of the bill of agreement if or prove no response from the merchant of cancellation. It was not from cancellation. I have said that kindly cancel this transaction. Yeah, I withdrew to my Equity bank account. Yes, but it was not my intention. Kindly cancel the transaction and refund the cash back to PayPal balance. I will send the transaction to the right bank account. So from then I'll be told I am supposed to browse a file. I'm supposed to pick a file from this and be able to load it here. I have an option of deleting it. So I'm supposed to pick a file which is less than 5 MBs and put it here. It will act as approved. By clicking submit, I'm stating that information I provided is accurate, that people can use the information to investigate my case. I agree that I provided additional information and support my case is required if it is required. Submit.